Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. After breaking out the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, now we can see that the price line of Doge has turned really very strong bullish. Previously at the Patreon, I shared this idea on 19th of May when after a very drastic drop, the price action of Doge completed the final leg of the bullish garlic pattern. And then I also shared after a few days that on the daily time frame chart, the Doge has completed a falling wedge pattern as well on the daily time frame chart, and it is moved at the very end of this falling wedge. And this was the chart that I shared at the Patreon on 25th of May. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now let's have a look at this garlic pattern that I first shared at the 19th of May. And I also shared all these ideas after posting here at the YouTube and on the different other platforms as well. Like this was a video when I told you that the Doge can break out very soon, almost 6 days ago. And in this video, I post my updated analysis after breaking out the falling wedge and turning bullish from the bullish garlic pattern. Okay, this was the bullish garlic pattern of the Dogecoin that was formed on the daily time frame chart. And first of all, let me play this chart to show you the result for this chart. And this is the link for the chart. And we can see that at that time the price line was moving in the buying zone of this bullish garlic pattern, and it was formed on the daily time frame chart. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price action is turning bullish. It was moving at the very end of this buying zone, and now it is turning bullish and reach very close to this sell zone. But I'm not looking for these sell targets. I'll tell you what can be over bigger targets this time. For this purpose, I'm just going to take you to this falling wedge pattern that is also formed on the daily time frame chart. Previously, we have seen here the price action formed this falling wedge pattern when I shared my previous idea with you guys when the Doge completed another bullish bad pattern, and at the same time it was moving in this falling wedge pattern as well. And at that time I told you that the price action of Doge can hit 70 cents, and this was a video. Let me show you this video where I told you that the price action, this was a video when I told you that the price action of Doge has completed the formation of the bullish band, and based on the Fibonacci projection, I predicted that now this time the Doge can hit the 70 cents. And this time again, my prediction will be based on the Fibonacci projection and the BTC move as well. Now here we can see, let me just show you that previous idea as well. By the way, this was also another bullish garlic pattern that was formed on the daily time frame chart that I shared with you on the 10th of Feb. And this idea produced more than 1300% very powerful bullish rally. And the previous idea when I predicted about the 70 cents, that was the Doge with US dollar. And here we can see that the price action of Doge completed a small bad pattern on the 4-hour chart, and it was moving in this buying zone. And after playing this chart, we can see at that time it was moving at 26 cents and rallied up to 73.8 cents. Now here we can see that same as like the previous move, the Doge has completed this formation of the falling wedge. Here the Doge completed the formation of the falling wedge, and after turning bullish from the buying zone of the bullish bad pattern, the Doge turned really very strong bullish, and we have witnessed a very big move up to 73 cents. And same as like that, this time the Doge completed this falling wedge pattern, and at the same time it has formed the bigger pattern. Previously we have seen this pattern was formed on the 4-hour chart, but this time this pattern has been formed, this garlic pattern has been formed on the daily time frame chart. Therefore we can expect a bigger move this time because this harmonic move is bigger than the previous one. Now we can see that after turning bullish at this time, it is moving to the upside from this buying zone of this bullish harmonic garden move. At the same time, the price action has also broken out this resistance of the falling wedge as well. And now we can expect at least a move up to this tail of the triangle that is approximately at 73.5 cents or 73 cents. This is the technical target of this falling wedge pattern. But at the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, then on the daily time frame, the price action of Bitcoin is moving to hit this resistance of this descending triangle. If the price action of Bitcoin will break out this resistance, as in my previous video, I give you the suggestion that for the safer side, you can wait for the Bitcoin breakout and then you can jump into Dogecoin. But if you will buy it here, before the Bitcoin breakout, you can have a better buying. And definitely at that time, it was moving at 29 or 28 cents, and now you can see that it has rallied up to 44.8 cents. And now the price action of Doge is struggling at this next resistance of 45 cents. First, I want to show you this Bitcoin chart, and then I'll show you the different support and resistance levels which the Doge can break out. Now here, we can see that the price action of Bitcoin is moving towards this resistance of the triangle. If we will have a breakout by the Bitcoin, if it will break out this triangle, what the Doge can do in that situation. I'm not expecting that the Doge will be stopped here at 73 cents. For example, let me show you the previous rallies where the price action did previously. For example, this was our previous very powerful bullish rally. Then when the Doge surged up to 8.75 cents, and if we place this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, then this is the Fibonacci projection of 1.618 Fibonacci level. And here we can see that the price action even crossed this 1.618 Fibonacci projection level. But if we move to the small time period chart, I'm just taking you to the 4-hour chart, then here when previously the price action of Doge surged in the month of April and the date was 14th of April, then we can see that exactly at that level at 1.618, the price action of Doge on the small time period chart found a resistance, and after getting rejected in the next attempt, the price action broke out that resistance. And now if we take a look at the previous rally of Doge, and I'm just going to place this Fibonacci tool again from this high to this low, then this was our 1.618 Fibonacci projection level, and we can see that exactly at the 1.618 Fibonacci projection, the price line has found the resistance at 70 cents and moved down and formed this falling wedge pattern. Now if we will have the Bitcoin breakout this time, then the price action of Doge can again move up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection level. And now for that purpose, I'm just going to place this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low. And let's take a look where we have this 1.618. This is the next 1.618 Fibonacci projection. That is approximately at 1.8 cents. That it's mean that if we will have a powerful rally by the Dogecoin, and definitely we can have if the Bitcoin will break out this triangle as the Bitcoin is moving very fast towards this resistance, then in that situation we can set our sell target here at least that is beyond $1, and this time the Dogecoin can break out the $1 psychological resistance as well. Now if we watch the directional movement index here at this chart, then we can see that the positive directional indicator is crossing up the negative directional index, and the ADX is moving down. That was showing the power of bears. And if once we will have this bull cross or buying signal by the directional movement index, like previously we had this buying signal here, and let me just show you what happened after this bull cross. Like for example, this was the date of 1st of April. And we can see after 1st of April, when we received this cross, Then the price action started this rally after this cross that was up to 45 cents, and the price action found a resistance here, and then we had the next rally up to 73 cents. Now if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then here we had previously, I told you that very strong support of 25 cents. It has easily broken out this 36 cents resistance level, and now it is tugged at the 45 cents resistance. If we switch to the small time period chart, then here we can see that we are likely to have a small rejection, but on the daily time frame chart we still have a very strong bullish candlestick. Then we have the next resistance at 55 cents, and the 70 cents will be the final and key level resistance for any kind of big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.